Goodyear Ascent hybrid wiper blades are an excellent addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with pinch tab and pinch tab button wiper arms. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by turning the blade upside down and pinching the clips on both sides of the blade and pulling the adapter downward. Discard the adapter. Next, find the long base adapter. Turn the blade right side up and lock the long base adapter into the blade by snapping the clips fully into place. Now, with the wiper arm in the upright position, slide the adapter with the arrow onto the end of the wiper arm until it locks into place. Then, snap the wiper arm with the connected adapter onto the long base adapter. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Goodyear Ascent wiper blades. Goodyear Ascent wiper blades, performance you can trust.